In this video, I'll show you how to open up your Audi S8 key fob to replace the battery inside. To get this done, all you'll need is a flathead screwdriver, a replacement battery, which is a CR2032, and you'll just need one of those, and just a few minutes of your time. These are inexpensive batteries. You can find them all over the place. If you'd like to get one online, go check the first link down in the description. That link will take you right over to Amazon where you can find these for a good price. To open up your key fob, flip it over to the back, look down here on the bottom, and inside there you can see that opening in the plastic under this metal piece. Take your flathead screwdriver, insert it, so let it catch under the lip of that plastic, and then just pry up. And this back piece will come right off of there. Now, you can see there's our battery and there's this opening right there. You need to use a tool like a flathead screwdriver that's small enough to fit in there to pry the battery out. For example, I'm going to show you with this precision screwdriver. Battery comes right out. If you have a larger size flathead like this one, you can maybe grab a paper clip or just whatever you have that can fit into this opening to help you lift or pry the battery out. And if you don't have anything, you can't find something that works for you, I'll just recommend what I'm using here, which comes from this little set of precision screwdrivers. I'll put that in the link, put the link for that in the description as well. So pop out the battery, grab your new 2032 battery, and when you're ready to put it in, you want to make sure that this positive side is facing up, and just click that down into place so that it sits flat in there, positive side up. And now just simply line up this piece of plastic and snap it back into place. If you'd like to make sure you did everything correctly, just click the button and make sure that that light is activating. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, feel free to leave a like or a comment. And if you ever need help with another key fob, you can come back here to this channel. We'll have you covered with a tutorial like this one.